Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a simple register, or you can say sign up script for your website in PHP. So if you remember, in our last login tutorial we created a database and a table named users. It only consisted of two fields named username and password. I added another field named email. You can do it after going at this option and then click go, and the type is varchar and the character length is 100. So first let's begin with our programming. Open up HTML tags and close HTML. So here we're gonna need a form. If you remember, in last script we also created an index page which consisted of input fields and a PHP stuff get notifying thing. So here's another thing. You can say this. I added a link to the register page. So first I'm gonna copy the form and change this to register, and this copy this down to first email, and then second one this for a password check. Alright, so password, name it as pass1. Oh, shitty caps. Pass, and this button going to be submit. I'm renaming it as submit cause it will be easy name to remember in a programming language, or when you're doing a programming and stuff. And name it as not capital E. You will see later on why I did the input type as email rather than text. Alright, so we are done with it. So open up PHP tags. So create a if statement in it. If it said dollar underscore post, sorry for the terminator, dollar underscore post submit, then you're gonna see if all fields are there, else you're gonna echo out all fields are required. Alright, so hold on a second, I forgot to do something. Username is equal to dollar underscore post. Username, and for pass is equal to dollar underscore post. Pass1 is equal to dollar underscore post. Pass1, the last one going to be email is equal to dollar underscore post email. So it's user input thing to, and so to protect it from injections we're gonna use MySQL real underscore escape underscore string, and just close the string too. No, we don't need such a thing. Alright, so if you can see, we added some security options to it. So if username and pass and pass1 and email, so if these fields are filled by the user, then it gonna execute the other statements, else it gonna echo out all fields that are required. So if pass is equal to pass1, so if this, then else echo out password must match. So if they are equal, then we're gonna connect it to our database first. MySQL underscore connect, no user and no password because I'm using a localhost. Oh sorry. And then select your database. Users. Now create a query. You can take any variable for this, but I'm right now using query as a variable. MySQL underscore query, and this query will insert the values. Insert into users. As you know, my database is also named users, and so my query, my table users value is going to be, there are three, you can see there are three fields or something over here. In the first one I'm gonna insert the username, second one for password, and the last one for email. As you can see, first username, second password, and last for email. Alright, and then echo out you have been registered. Alright, so let's save it and now test it. Click register. See username, type in the username, Pranav, and the email is alright, type in a wrong email like this, and so if you click, you can see please enter an email address. So if you want to register, please enter an email address. That's the use of using type as email. If you want the user to type its email, it would actually protect from spams. Alright, and my password going to be AST, and if I type a wrong pass like WQS, and register password must match. Username again, and if I type in correct pass AST and register, you have been registered. So if I go to login again, so if I go to login and type in my username PRANV and password AST, you are logged in as Pranav and log out. So if you go browse over here, username AST, username Pranav, pass AST, and my email this. So this is how you can create a simple register or a sign up script for your website. And for more tutorials, just subscribe me, and for script of this tutorial, just log into my website. If you don't have an account, create now, log into it, go to tutorial, select this tutorial. This is actually tutorial number 6, so its script would be available there. And thanks for watching.